Well, Your Honor, I am a reformed lady of the night. Okay, I used to be on the streets making my money. Silky was my pimp, and you know what? I'm not even gonna call him Silky. I'm gonna call him by his government, Stanley Earl Jenkins. And we had a little something going on outside of him being my pimp, and we had a child.
Okay, so
And he's claiming that he's not the father of my child, and he is.
Mr. Jenkins, what do you got to say about all this?
Well, first of all, my name has legally been changed to Silky Smooth, all right? We're gonna just start by saying that. It's Silky, okay? Not Standard, Silky. And first of all, she was my bottom girl, which means she holds up my whole pyramid, okay? And she was trying to get chose by somebody else, by another pimp on another stroll, and Silky wasn't having that, all right? And furthermore, cash, like money, you know, our baby, the son, little one, coming up in the game, you know, Silky training him up, you know, to do the right thing,
No.
you know.
No.
No,
You
I
know,
don't know.
and well, I'm explaining Silky's situation, baby. Come on now.
Hey,
What?
I'm not your baby, first of all. I'm not your baby.
Okay.
I'm a judge, and that's what you
All
need
right,
to
Your
call
Honor.
me. Oh,
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank
Silky
you.
is very apologetic. Silky is very apologetic. Okay. So
it's gonna be a rough case.
so this is what happened. She got chose by somebody else, and he wasn't laying down the pimp hand right. Silky didn't allow that. Okay. So I believe in Silky's heart that little Cash is not Silky's. It's just not Silky's. I'm sorry.
Miss Smith, what made you summons the court today?
Well, Your Honor, I brought the likes of this man into the courtroom today because he refuses to take responsibility for our son. I mean, I know it's his because he got the same lazy eye as him. I mean, look at it. Look at the baby and look at his eyes.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Excuse me. Silky does not have a lazy eye. It's just that Silky gotta watch this way and his money around the corner at the same time. You dig what I'm saying, honey?
Wow.
Can you dig me?
Now, I can dig. I can't dig it. No, I can't dig it. First of all, let's start there. All right, Miss Smith, do you hope he's not the father?
I absolutely hope that he's not. I would never want someone like this to be my child's father. He's still working the streets, for goodness sake.
Correction, Your Honor. Silky does not work the street. His ladies work the street. Silky just manages them. That's all I'm saying.
So you just running, Miss, what you're saying?
Yeah, I'm the manager.
So you sitting in front of my courtroom saying that, but okay, all right. So Miss Smith, who encouraged you to bring Mr. Silky to court today?
It was my mom.
She used to be one of my ladies too, just so you know. Silky is training them all the way up to grandma. That's what
You know
Silky
what?
does.
Hey, I'm gonna need you to talk when spoken to. You don't just talk out of turn. Now, like I was saying, Mrs. Smith, before I was rudely interrupted, your mother is the one encouraged you to bring him to court.
Yeah, my mother encouraged me to come in here today. She sees that I've changed my life and I'm doing better, and she does not want him to be the father of my child.
Her mother's shift starts in half an hour. I don't know how she told her that.
That's a lie.
You know what? I'm gonna need you to stop talking out of turn, Miss Silky. This is not the streets. This is my courtroom. I run everything around here.
I'm sorry. Silky is sorry. Silky
Well,
is
you
sorry.
need to act like it.
I'm
Act like you
sorry.
got some
Your
sense
Honor,
in front of me.
Stanley Earl.
What are you prepared to do if he's not the father?
I'm prepared to move on with my life and leave that behind in the past.
And what are you prepared to do if you are the father?
I'm gonna train that boy up so that he can have a train longer than Silky.
Never.
I want him to go on and keep the game going, baby. You know, it's hard out here for a pimp.
Oh no. I'm sure I know for a
Never.
fact I'm sure you and your mother do not want him no way, form, or fashion the father of this child. Cause I wouldn't either.
The baby name
Never.
is Cash because Silky teaching him how to get it.
You know what? Listen, I'm so ready to read these results and get you out my courtroom because I'm sick of you. So I'm gonna go ahead and read these results as follow. In the case of 4-year-old Cash, I feel sorry for you. He is the father.
Oh my God.
Oh wow, this is something. You know what? I was cold as ice long ago, but that's okay.
I
Strawberry
know.
and I gonna work this out. That
I
was her
know.
street name. I'm gonna have Lexus, Sparkle, and Mercedes come over and help babysit their baby. You know, they gonna train them up
Absolutely
nice.
not.
You know,
Absolutely not.
Yes,
You are
absolutely.
not going to come anywhere near my child,
Silky
okay?
coming by the baby.
You're not coming
Silky
anywhere
is coming
near,
by his
nor
baby.
is Alexis.
Silky coming by
or-
Silky has put his hands up.
Okay, I
Silky has put his
need
hands up.
order. You know what?
Do you want to see the backhand side? Do you
I
want to
wish.
see
Hey, do you want to be held in contempt for saying something like
Arrest
that?
him, Judge.
Look,
Arrest him.
Your Honor, Silky is only trying to explain, the way.
No,
a
you
pimp
talking about
do.
backhands and back.
No, I never said anything about hurting anybody. I'm just saying the hand, when it's on the back, it should bring back memories.
Okay, now that you got this information, what are you prepared to do?
Go straight to Hades.
That is cold-blooded.
And you are too.
No, I mean, Hades wouldn't bother me because I am cold.
What are you
as
prepared
ice.
to do? What
It's
are you
all right.
prepared to
It's
do?
all right. I'm gonna teach little Cash how to run the family business.
Never.
I am going to
Not gonna happen.
send money to Strawberry over here, and
My
hopefully
name is Janet.
It was Strawberry when I knew you, honey. Okay, so
Well, it seems like she got herself together now. So all that strawberry stuff.
she done slid
So what-
backwards.
Okay,
She done slid backwards.
okay, I'm done with you. Stop talking. What are you prepared to? Now that you know he is the father, I feel sorry for you.
I'm prepared to move far away from this. We don't need this in
So
our
she wanted to
lives.
find out the baby was mine just so she can move away.
Oh,
This
we're
makes
we're
no
gonna
sense.
do child support,
She-
and you're gonna
she-
pay me, but you can stay
Look,
away.
Silky don't work. Silky don't work. You can't find nothing
You know
in
what?
Silky name.
You know what?
It ain't gonna happen.
You know what? I'm prepared to go ahead and let y'all be dismissed, and I wish you nothing but the best. I'm praying
you,
for you.
Your
And
Honor.
I'm gonna say a special prayer for you.
thank
And you
you.
need to give
Oh,
it up at this
I
time.
thought you were saying
Court-
you were saying a
Court
prayer
is
for me.
adjourned. Court is adjourned. Whenever I'm reading, I like to use my reading glass. Get a pair at ISeeItClear.com.